is the make and model of your bike?
I have a Yamaha MT03
Okay. How long you've been riding?
since January of this year.
Okay. So did you buy the bike used or new?
I bought it pre-owned.
Pre-owned? How many miles did it have?
It had 726 miles on it.
How many miles have you put since you bought it?
I put 500 on it since I got it.
Okay. What do you like about the bike? Tell me something about the bike, like why did you choose a Yamaha versus some other brand? That's what I mean.
So to be completely fair, I wanted to go for Suzuki because of just the brand. But
you did? Okay.
But when I saw the Yamaha, I was like, there's something about the aesthetic of this bike that is
Right.
it's way nicer and cleaner than a lot of other. Not that that's not beautiful, but I just like.
No, this MT09, it seems to fit you very good, very well. So it's not necessary to go with the Suzuki. You know what I mean? Yeah. This, don't worry about it. This is part of the.
I try to ignore them, but it's so hard.
Yeah. So do you do the maintenance yourself?
So that is the thing that I'm trying to learn. I haven't yet, but I'm down by Coleman's right up the street. So
Oh, okay. So you take it to there.
Yes.
Have you done anything to the bike since you got it?
I have not.
No, okay.
I want to.
Okay. Are you planning on keeping the bike?
Yes.
Okay.
I bought it. It's mine. I don't make payments.
I meant like, do you plan to change it after a year or so to a different bike? That's what I mean.
I'm gonna upgrade, but I'll keep this. I'm gonna keep the MT03 and get the MT09.
Oh, okay.
So
this is what? MT03.
This,
okay.
MT03.
So this is 300cc.
Yeah.
So you're gonna get a 900cc?
That's what I'm looking at. Yeah.
When?
So they told me November is when they'll have them in.
Oh, so you feel comfortable? Is it the same height?
Yeah.
Show me your legs when you like. Are you able? Yeah. You're pretty much able to flat foot because this bike is on an incline right now anyway. So.
And really, my thing is that as long as I can flat foot on one side at all times.
Are you comfortable with that?
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that usually takes a little bit more time, more confidence. So that's very nice that you have to have more confidence to. Otherwise, people who are kind of new want to have both the feet on the ground, right?
I want to take off.
You want to take off.
I have a need for speed.
Okay, so my next question was, what's your riding style?
I would say fast.
Meaning highway, side street, or what do you like?
If I prefer side street.
We all like fast.
Yeah,
That's why we buy the bike.
I was gonna say, I guess I like the back roads where there's trees and nature and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Like
So
that.
you like the twisties, the side road?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it's just so serene and calming when you're on the bike, just looking at the trees and everything. So.
Good. Is there anybody else who rides the bike with you? Your significant other or family member?
No.
Why did you get into biking?
Because somebody told me I shouldn't bike.
Oh, okay.
And then that relationship ended.
Okay.
And so I was like,
I understand.
Let's get the bike now.
It's time for your bike now. Okay. Maybe they said, "Oh, you're not good enough for a bike," something like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So good for you. Kudos to you.
Thank you. You basically was like, "You're gonna kill yourself." I was like, "No, I'm not."
I don't want to use bad words,
Oh,
so
sorry, I apologize.
No.
YouTube.
Oh no, I didn't mean kill. Kill is fine. I just meant that whoever you left was probably a good idea. That's why you're like,
100.
That's what I meant. That's what I meant. I always say life is short. You gotta be with people you like or love and enjoying. Otherwise, there's always somebody else.
Yeah, exactly.
Never look back. Just move on.
I'm so happy that I even met Cassandra on the road today because I was just riding home from work and I just saw her on the road and I was like, oh my god, it's a girl!
It's a girl.
I looked over and I was like, I was so excited.
Oh, you just met?
Just today.
Just right now?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
See, that's the cool thing about bikes. Nobody usually in the car world, nobody gives a shit. They don't care.
Yeah.
They don't stop really, unless it's like a big car, nice car meet. They do. Otherwise, they don't. But us bike community is very small, and it's very easy to, make friends. Exactly, right?
I know. That's also why I wanted to be a part of it for so long.
Good.
I felt like I was missing out on like a community.
So did you do the bike course before you get your license?
Yeah, I did the Power Ride University. So I got the endorsement
Okay.
through that in Virginia.
Okay.
But since I'm from Delaware, I have to go to Delaware to get my
Sure, that's just what I
endorsement
meant. Yeah, I didn't know what was the system in Delaware and all that.
I just
So
gotta
do
go
you-
take the course.
So you live here now, right? Okay. So you work and live here now in Virginia.
Yeah, I just moved here in November,
Okay.
so it's been like a lot
Have you ever been to Bikes and Breakfast?
I have not.
Do you know anything about it?
No, I don't.
Well, when you go on my site on the YouTube, I post Bikes and Breakfast. So she's gonna come to Alexandria, Virginia, Old Town Alexandria on Sunday.
On Sunday?
Yeah, it's between 8 and 11. Do you work?
I do work. Sunday through Wednesday is my schedule.
There's a Wednesday bike meet too. You know.
I work Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so Sunday you work overnight, like kind
No,
of.
I work from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m., but I work 4 days a week. So
7 a.m. or 5 p.m. Okay.
yeah,
Every Sunday?
every Sunday.
Okay. Yeah, unfortunately, that's on Sundays only.
One of these.
You know?
One of these days I will.
Yeah.